So most people think that you need a viral video to grow or that you just need these crazy amounts of views on each video. So this is one of my channels right here. You can see the analytics on the screen. So in the past 3 months, this channel has gotten 234,000 views, and this channel has made about $3,560. And that amount is not from AdSense. You can see the AdSense on the screen, but this channel just got monetized about a month ago. And these results are from not going viral and not getting crazy amounts of views on my videos. So now I'm just going to break down a strategy and show you how I got these results. All right, so let's dig into these analytics. You can see this is the last 90 days, and that's the 234,000 views. You can also see watch time, 3.9K, 264 subscribers, and this is the AdSense. I just got monetized in like the middle of August. So this channel strategy too it's a little bit different. Like the core basics and just foundations of YouTube still apply, but this is a product review channel. So what I'm mainly doing is repurposing my Amazon influencer videos and just bringing them over to YouTube. So these results are just mainly from just repurposing content, which is pretty insane to me. All right, so let's go into the content tab. I want to kind of show you some stuff in here. You can see even 1 million impressions in the last 90 days, which is crazy as well. Click-through rate is really high on these videos as well. Not worried too much about the watch time. Some of these numbers, they just don't really, not that they don't matter, but other metrics matter more for my strategy, like impressions, right? Also click-through rate. And of course I want people to watch, but it's not the main thing I'm focused on. But I want to show you this, how viewers find my video. You can see in the last 90 days, my top traffic source is YouTube search. You can see the impressions from YouTube search, 744,000. Click-through rate is 12.2%, which is good. And that equaled out to 101,000 views. So that's the main strategy with this type of channel. Or if you're thinking about creating a product review channel, I'm mainly focusing on keywords and just making sure that I'm putting content out there that's in demand and people are searching for that content. And also with this search-based type of content, and why it just works great for consistently bringing in views and making money, is a lot of that content is evergreen. Like people are always going to be searching for specific types of products, specific brands. So this content can continue to work, not just when it's posted, but it can continue to drive views and money years later. And we can also see the second traffic source is external. So driving a lot of views from external traffic sources, which we're going to dig into that in a minute. So these are the main two that I'm really paying attention to and want to work for me for my type of content with the product review. Now we're here in the YouTube search, and you can see the search terms that people are searching for to find my content. So this is some good information, just kind of seeing what people are searching for, seeing where the demand is at, and also just seeing, you know, what keywords I should target for future content. And now we're in the external traffic source. You can see number one is Google search. And in the last 90 days, that got me 10,762 views. So this is important to know, just knowing that your content can show up on Google. So when you're searching on Google, you can actually click on it's a section that says videos. And some people, instead of looking at the blog posts and information, they just want to see the videos. And you can see these other external traffic sources that are driving views as well: Yahoo search, Chat GPT, a lot of stuff in here. And I see stuff like Facebook Messenger and stuff like that. I think that's from people just sharing the content. And I want to show you all this. You see all these are all the uploads that I made in the past 3 months. So this is a big part of this strategy that I'm using, and for it to work effectively, it's a volume game. So with this type of content versus like other channels that I have, with this channel, I'm focused on quantity of uploads. The type of content that I make, the product reviews, the videos, don't have to be perfect. I just need to get them out there, and I need to get a lot of them out there to get these types of results and to drive, you know, a good amount of views, not just from like individual videos, but when I look at them from like a month or like 3 months. Like even if we go, let's just look at last 28 days, like this is still a good amount of views to get the results that I'm looking for, and to make, you know, like 1,000+ average per month with this channel. So now we're on the channel and this is what I want to show you. Like I said earlier, I'm not going viral. Some of these videos, they get 6 views, 21 views, 30 views. And people may look at that and be like, that's nothing. How is he even monetizing, right? But you can see other videos, 891 views, 931, 1.7, right? We got 5.5K, 3K, 1.5K right here. So this just kind of goes to show I don't need videos to go viral, right? To make this type of income and to generate over a month span or a couple month span the amount of views that I need. This is more of a volume game. I understand that individual videos may tank sometimes, but I also understand that certain videos may pop off as well. And also just understanding how the YouTube platform works. So some of these newer uploads, because I'm focused more on a SEO, search-based type of traffic source, like these videos can take a while to start accumulating a good amount of views. Even with these videos, 931, 891, in the first couple of days, they probably had less than 100 views. But I know that over time, and if the content is good, it's going to continue to bring in views because it is good content and it's evergreen content and it's searchable content that people are actively searching for. In the way that I am actually making money with this channel, I want to show y'all, is through the Amazon Associates program. So you can see my video description right here. And you could see I say get this sound bar here, Amazon affiliate link. So if they click on that link, it takes them straight to Amazon where they can purchase the product. The main strategy with the content in this channel is focusing on search-based evergreen type of content and getting my content discovered. And then after that, it's actually making good content, making sure that the content is converting and answering those questions people may have to where, they'll go ahead and watch my video and then head over to Amazon and purchase the product. And also with the Amazon Associates program, when someone clicks over to your link and they go to Amazon, I think it's a 24-hour cookie on that person. So if they make a purchase within 24 hours and they hadn't clicked on anyone else's link, then I'm going to get credit for the purchases that they made. And not only the product, but also other stuff that they purchased. And I may not be 100% accurate on that as far as the cookie tracking time, but it is something along those lines. And another way that I make money with this channel is through like brand deals or sponsored content. Yeah, so this video right here, I partnered with a company because they wanted me to make a full YouTube video about their product. So I got paid for doing that. So just another way that I'm monetizing this channel, and you can see the amount of views that I've gotten over, like a 3-month span, or even showed y'all a month span. So this is also exposure to businesses and brands that are looking for content creators to promote their different products. And they'll reach out to me from finding my YouTube videos and want me to do similar videos for their products. And the final takeaway from this video, guys, if you don't take away anything, I want y'all to take away these things. You do not need to go viral to grow your channel or to even make income. This is a small channel, only 1,100 subscribers, and for the most part consistently making $1,000+ per month. With this specific strategy, it's about consistency and it's about quantity as well, putting out a lot of different videos and then having a monetization plan on the back end and not relying on YouTube AdSense. If you got value from this video, drop a like. And if you want to learn how to make money online, that's monetizing your content, monetizing your skills, your passions, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.